Alright, this is how to find a free mortgage loan calculator online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is usdebtclock.org. Basically, instead of going under mortgage, because you have a mortgage calculator, go to the second option or the second tab, loan. And again, let's say we have an amount of, say, 25K, we get a loan. It's for 15 years, interest, let's say, is 3.5%, and the first payment is in October 2024. We will click calculate, and as you can see, we will have the monthly payment of 180 bucks, the total of 180 payments, and the payoff date. And here is the date and the information and the graph. The next website is called Mortgage Calculator. Again, you can input your data right here and it will update it accordingly, and this is all for free.